Well, if you've ever had hopes of playing in a band but never had the musicians to do it, Salt Lake Nightclub is saying we can fix that.
Yeah, tomorrow night a group called Salt Lake City Jam is inviting anyone with an instrument or a pair of pipes to come jam with the band.
Nice.
Hitting those high notes with us this morning. Actually, I'm hoping he's not.
Yeah,
but
let's
he
hope
told
it's
us
a
that he was
baritone.
going to try to hit those high notes. Is our own Brian Carlson.
Yeah, we're going to leave the singing to them, right, Donna?
Yeah, that's what I was
Please.
hoping, but I didn't want to offend you. Yes.
Yeah, no, you're all good. You're all good. I want to give you a little taste of what it's like to jam out with these guys. You ready?
The autumn leaves drip by the window. The autumn leaves of red and gold.
All right, so these guys are the Salt City Soul Jam, and we got Taryn who's singing the vocals here for us. Nice pipes, Taryn.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Kind of tell us for everybody how this works. You got somebody who doesn't know how to play or they've always wanted to play and they can play with you. What's the deal?
Well, basically, we have the band set up. You come, you sign up if you're a singer, poet, musician, if you play an instrument. You sign up, we call you up, and we just play on the fly. We jam.
You got somebody who wants to come in, you can just kind of do it with you guys on the fly. And we got one of those guys here this morning, right here. We got Bill. Over here, Bill, give us a little love right here. So, Bill, where are you from?
I'm from Bowling Green, Kentucky.
From what I understand, you flew in just to play with these guys.
Well, I saw it on the internet. I was visiting friends, so contacted them yesterday, and here I am this morning.
You play, obviously, the sax, it looks like here.
That's right.
You guys going to let him play with you guys?
Absolutely. Come
All
and
right,
jam with us,
so
Bill.
Bill's going to jam it. What are you guys going to play together? You guys know? The
Video.
song is called Video.
Called Video.
All right, so everybody at home, they're going to play a little video right here.
Am I less of a lady if I don't wear pantyhose? No. My mama said a lady ain't what she wears, but what she knows. Well, I draw the conclusion, it's all an illusion. Confusion's the name of the game. A misconception, a vast deception. Something's gotta change. Take it away, Bill. I'm not the average girl from the video, and I ain't built like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen.
All right, there you go. So you guys want to come jam out with the Salt City Soul Jam? It's here at the Hotel Nightclub downtown Salt Lake. Later this morning, we have it all online. For now, we're going to take you over to Glenn with the weather.